Hey, hey, what? Ray Mac, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill.
Hey YouTube family, this your boy Ray Mac. Today we're gonna do some taco spaghetti. This is definitely not a new recipe. It's been out there, but I'm gonna do something new to this one. All right. So I got me a cast iron skillet on medium high heat, and I just want to take me 1 tablespoon of butter. I got me a half of green pepper diced up and a half of onion diced up, and I just want to bring these babies, man, to a nice little simmer and cook these until they become translucent. Now I'm using some of this here 80-20 ground beef. All right, I got 1 pound of ground beef that I want to add into these onions and bell peppers, and I just want to brown up this meat. Now once I brown up this here meat, I'm going to go to the next. I would love if y'all please give my granddaughter, this is my oldest one, her name is Zanai, big welcome. She's helping me out with this dish. So we got us a deep pot because we want to make sure that we have something that could hold all of this here goodness. So we're tossing in our ground beef along with the peppers and the onions into the deep pot. Zanai has in her hand some Hunt's tomato sauce. We only using 1 can of Hunt's tomato sauce. Now she's pouring this one in. Now the next item that we're going to add to the pot is going to be some of this here Rotels, chunky, diced up green tomatoes and chili. Now I like this here, but if you get the chunky, I'm telling you right now, you won't go wrong. You can use whatever you would like as far as it goes with Rotel, but the chunky is definitely going to work. So now we have some Hunt's tomato paste, and I'm using flavored tomato paste. This got a little bit of basil, a little of that herb flavor, whatever the case may be. So she's tossing in 2 nice big heaping tablespoons of tomato paste that will go inside this here pot. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add in at least round about a teaspoon of salt. We're going to season this to perfection, y'all, so bear with us. We're going to add in at least around about a half a tablespoon of black pepper. After the black pepper, we're going to toss in some garlic powder, at least around about a good half a tablespoon of garlic powder. Now we're going to end up tossing in some of this here onion powder, and yes, it's going to be a half of tablespoon. Well, why you keep saying a half a tablespoon? Because it's going to be flavorful. I want to taste my food and feel good about it at the same time. We got some of this here Spain Spices taco seasoning. Y'all look at here. If you never tried Spain Spice products before, I want you to look at the link right up here at the top at this here iCard and definitely try out Spain Spices. You can't go wrong. Now we have some regular taco seasoning that we're going to also add to this here taco spaghetti sauce. And I'm telling you, if you try this recipe now, you're going to love it. Now, my granddaughter Zanai is giving this baby a nice stir, and we got it simmering on medium-high heat. And we're going to allow this to cook for at least around about 30 to 35 minutes before we go to the next step. So don't go nowhere. I added some beef broth to this just to loosen up the sauce a bit. Now Zanai has some sugar in her hand, and we're just going to sprinkle some sugar in here just so it can kill some of the acidity that is coming from those tomatoes, tomato sauce and the canned tomatoes. How many of you guys add sugar to your sauce? Comment below and let me know if that's you or not, all right? Now, since we allowed this to cook for about 30 to 35 minutes, I went and I got me some regular spaghetti pasta and just follow the directions on the box. That's all you have to do. You can't go wrong if you follow the directions. Now, I'm just going to toss in all of that pasta into this here sauce, and I want that sauce to cling to these here noodles. All right, so what I'm going to do now is just allow this to cook again for at least around about a good 15 minutes on top of the stove over medium high heat. Now I'm taking me some parsley, and I'm also taking some green onions, and I'm just dicing and chopping because this is going to be my garnish. Now I have here some Mexican cheese blend. I'm using the whole bag. Now you can use as much cheese as you want. If you want to add or incorporate any other kinds of cheeses, please feel free to do so. It's your taco spaghetti. Go ahead and jazz it up however you like. Now, once I've got the cheese all ladled on top, I want to go ahead and take my parsley and my chopped green onions and just sprinkle it right on. Now, what I'm going to end up doing after this, I want to put that lid right on top, allow that cheese to melt, and after that cheese melt, we're going to serve this baby up. I'm telling you, you better try this recipe because it's good.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy.
I have me a side of nachos with these here, some corn tortilla chips, whatever you guys call them. I'm telling you something right now. I put work in this. I went to work on this here recipe. Yes, I did, and it was so good. But please do me a favor. Thank you so much for checking out Rayman's Kitchen and Grill. Subscribe to my channel, and also check out Spain Spices products. I'm telling you, you try these products, you're gonna love them, y'all. But I want to say thank you so much for watching this here video. Click on my picture and subscribe. Watch these other videos, and do me a favor, comment and let me know what other type of recipes you would like to see, and give this video a thumbs up. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.
Take the best thoughts